Signs of a bad throwout bearing? Your car is made up of numerous intricate networks and systems of cooperating parts, all of which must be in good working order in order for it to perform at its best. A throwout bearing may appear trivial and little, yet it is essential to the operation of your car. Welcome to today's video, where we're uncovering an essential topic for car enthusiasts: signs of a bad throwout bearing. Let's jump right in. What are the signs of a bad throwout bearing? 1. Weird noise when engaging the clutch pedal. The distance between the rollers inside your clutch has widened if it creates noise when you press or release the clutch pedal. The clutch pedal has rollers within that are meant to be close together. 2. Gear shifting problems. Any transmission problem inevitably causes problems with gear shifting. It can be difficult to shift gears if the clutch pedal won't fully engage or is difficult to press down, which renders the vehicle inoperable until the problem is resolved. 3. Strange vibration. Your throwout bearing has to be checked if the clutch pedal starts to rattle when it is depressed. When the throwout bearing cannot line up with the pressure plate, this occurs. Before we delve deeper into these vital symptoms, take a moment to support our channel. Hit that subscribe button and stay connected for more automotive insights. Now, let's continue. 4. Stiff clutch pedal. The defective throwout bearing can make your car's clutch pedal feel stiff when you press down on it as the problem worsens. Any driver should consider this to be a warning sign and should take immediate action. 5. Problems with the clutch. Last but not least, a defective throwout bearing may cause complete clutch failure. This can be a costly problem to rectify, so it's important to look out for signs of wear on the throwout bearing early on before the condition gets worse. Throwout bearing replacement costs. Taxes, fees, and the specific make, model, or location of your car are not taken into account in the price range provided, which is based on the national average for all vehicles. Depending on whether you DIY it or take it to the technician, the typical cost to repair a throwout bearing ranges from $30 to $820. And there you have it, the key signs indicating a bad throwout bearing. If you found this information helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive knowledge. Thanks for tuning in.